Hello and welcome to another video about maintenance and projects around the home. My name is Mike and today we're going to talk about one of the most important topics I can think of even before you start any projects, and that is storage and organization of your tools in your workshop. This is a two-part video. This is the first part. So I've been a facility manager at a church now for 8 to 10 years, and I've switched churches a few times. And in my switching of churches, I've replaced a lot of maintenance guys and facility managers, and most of them are a little old. But that's not a knock on being old. It's just they didn't really put things back. And maybe it wasn't them being old, it was them being just kind of lazy. So I walked in to most of these jobs and I couldn't even see the workbench because it was full of tools and miscellaneous parts. And I think we're all victim to that. I do it sometimes too. You get caught up in a project and you just kind of throw things to the side because you're tired and you want to go to sleep, or you want to go in the house and eat. So what I would do is I will go through some of the steps that I've taken to kind of clean up my workshops. And I'll be honest, my garage workshop right now is not the best and not the most organized, but I have succeeded in many different workshops over the years. And these are some of the tricks that I used. I'm going to start with the most important trick, and that is compartmentalize. So put things in bins. I can't stress this enough. Sometimes you look at your workshop and it's just full of stuff and you're like, what is going on? You can't find a screwdriver, you can't find anything. What I recommend, and this works so well once you just start doing it, is to get some clear plastic totes or milk crates. Milk crates are absolutely awesome. They're a great storage, a great unit of storage. They're easy to stack. Clear plastic totes, like I said, are my favorite because you can see what's inside of them. Any type of bins, even shoe boxes. If you want to go on the cheap and you don't want to buy anything, shoe boxes or cardboard boxes are fine too. What you want to do is you want to take everything that's loose on your workbench or in your shop and just start sticking it in a bin. Okay, whether it's electrical, whether it's plumbing. And when you do this, you're going to see that you start compartmentalizing all this stuff. And what you do is you kind of start with a big compartmentalize, in the sense of, let's say one bin you put all your tools, any loose tools in that bin. Then the next bin you might put screws, okay, or bolts or any fasteners. And then as you go and you get more organized and you get bins of larger items or different types of items, then you can take each bin and break it down even further. That's one of the best ways to get your shop in line, and you'll be amazed at the stuff you find that you've been missing, and the stuff that now you can say, okay, boom, now I can do this project because I found those fasteners, or you know, those keys I was looking for the other day. Oops, they're right here on the workbench, but they were buried behind tools. So just as a frame of reference, when I say bins, you know, I'm talking about things like this. Obviously, this stuff here, I just threw in this bin today. Got some tools, got some drill bits, electrical items, different things, a sanding block. I just found all this all over my workbench today, and obviously in my garage, and I stuck it in this bin. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer some of this into other bins. So for example, you know, tools, I'm going to have an electrical bin. You know, this is going to go over with my sandpaper bin. So anyways, just to kind of sum it up on the bins, I can't stress enough, find bins, find milk crates. People throw them away. It's amazing what people throw away. When you find them, save them, store them, use them. Also, another great compartment type thing are jars, glass jars or plastic jars, jars that you can use to store things. I can't tell you how many times people throw these away. And when you go and you need a job and you need, let's say, 25 screws of a certain variety, boom, you put them in here, you take them with you to your job, or you're able to at least find them when you need them. You can mark on these, which is also a great, helps you find things quickly. That's what I'll say on that. And if you notice too, again, not the cleanest shop right now, but I have pegboards. I like pegboards. I know it's kind of old school. I know a lot of people have fancier ways of storing tools. But what I like about a pegboard is everything's in front of you. And you're not taking up any visual, workspace. Everything is within reach. And that's kind of a cool trick. There's my fancy milk crate that I absolutely love. So this is part one, and this is just a little bit of a segment on organizing, getting your shop ready for projects. Part two will focus a little bit more in depth on compartmentalizing and, making decisions on how to do it and kind of show you my way and what it looked like when I was all done. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like these types of videos. The reason I picked this video first in my series, or really second after my intro, is because of how important it is to me. When I'm not organized, I can't find anything and it's hard to get anything done. But when I'm organized, I can get the results I want for the project I'm doing. So thanks for watching, and like this video if you found it helpful, and stay tuned for part two, which will be in my basement shop. Thank you and have a great day.